Okay, so we're looking at equating coefficients, the alternative to long division. So we have x cubed minus 7x minus 6, right? Of divided by x plus 2, right? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the brackets here, and then we're going to say, what do we need to multiply x to the power 1 with to get x to the power 3? Well, that has to be x squared, right? So we have x squared here. So what I like to do is I'll then write the next variable, which is x to the power 1. Okay. And then we put in our letters. So we say ax squared plus bx plus c. Right. Then we must not forget our remainder, right? So the variable for the remainder is going to be 1 degree less than the variable in the divisor. Okay, so in our divisor the variable is x to the power 1, right? So our remainder, it will be a degree less, so it will be 1 degree less, so it will be x to the power 0. Remember, x to the power 0 is 1, so we'll just write it as r. Just write it as r, our remainder. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is now we expand this expression. Okay, so we're going to say x times ax squared. We're going to get ax cubed. Okay, x times bx, we get bx squared. Okay, and x times c, we get plus cx. Right? Now we're going to say 2 times ax squared, that's 2ax squared. To ax squared plus 2 times bx, that's 2bx, 2bx, right? 2 times c, that's 2c, plus 2c, plus r. All right, now we can equate the coefficients on the left-hand side with the ones on the right-hand side. So we start with the coefficient of x cubed on the left-hand side is 1, okay? And the coefficient of x cubed on the right-hand side is a. So a equals 1, all right? Then now we're going to look at the coefficients for x squared, all right? On our left-hand side, we do not have an x squared, so we're going to just equate it to 0, right? Then the coefficients of x squared on our right-hand side, we have b and 2a, all right? So we're going to say 2a plus b equals 0, right? So now we're going to substitute 1 for a in this next equation. So we're going to have 2 times 1 plus b equals 0, all right? So 2 times 1, that is 2, right? So we have 2 plus b equals 0. And then we take the 2 over the equal sign, we have b equals negative 2, right? Next, we're going now for the coefficients of x, all right? On our left-hand side, we have negative 7 as a coefficient, right? Coefficients of x, negative 7. On our right-hand side, we have c and 2b. So we're going to say 2b plus c equals -1, right? So we already have the value of b, which is -2. So we'll say 2 times -2 plus c equals -7, right? So 2 times -2, that's -4 plus c equals -7. So c is going to equal to -7 plus 4. And c is going to give us -3. Then now we deal with our constants, all right? We have 2c plus r, and on our right hand side and on our left we have -6. So we say 2c plus r equals -6. C equals -3, so we say 2 times -3 plus r equals -6. 2 times -3, that's -6 plus r, okay, which gives us again -6. We take it over to get the value of r. We take this other -6 over the equal sign, so we have r equals -6 plus +6, and that gives us 0. So r is 0. Okay, and thus we know this x plus 2 is a factor of that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to substitute the values we have found in our expression here, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. All right, we're going to substitute, right? So the value of a, the value of a is 2, so we'll have 2x squared plus our value for b is -2, so this plus will become -2, so it will be minus 2x. Oh, a is 1, so it will be x squared. Sorry. A is 1. A is also it will be x squared minus 2x. All right. Plus -3, but since it's -3, so this positive here will become negative, so -3. So our answer is x squared minus 2x minus 3.